So today I'm going to open up the Elgato Wave 3 to see what the experience is like for the end user. So this is a USB microphone with a digital mixing solution that allows you to plug in USB to your computer to record, but then have headphones out so you can hear yourself and also hear any application like, Teams or a conference call or anything like that. So that is what this is. So the box art is really nice here. And we will dive into it. I need to find something to open up our box. A screwdriver should do it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take off these little stickers. Nice soft touch packaging. There we go. I'm gonna pop this open. And looks like we have a box within a box. So we have nothing on here. Let's open this up. All right, so the first thing we get is, it looks like a quick start guide. And so what does this tell us to do? Download Elgato Wavelink app to get started. Okay. And we plug it into the microphone, the other end into the PC, then download, and then we have our simple controls here: mic gain, monitor volume or headphone volume, and mic/PC mix. Then here we have gain monitor / mix indicator, and then push to select mode and turn to adjust. And at the top we have a capacitive mute, so you can just tap it and it'll mute the microphone. And then on the back we have our USB-C and our direct monitor, and then here we have all of our regulations and things. So let's see what else we have here. We have a little box that contains our main cable and warranty stuff. And in the middle of this, we have a little adapter to go from standard mic stand or 3/8 to 1/4-20. So a nice little adapter piece of hardware. Here is our main mic cable. Open this up. There we go. This should be a nice, at least 6 foot long. Maybe it's a 2-meter cable, USB-C and USB. So now open this up. It looks like we have a nice packaged microphone, some nice weight to it. The top is just a nice little Elgato sticker. Open this up. And let's see if we have anything else. We do not have anything else. It's just no power cords or adapters or anything, just the box. Put this back. This out of the way. All right, so that leaves us with The microphone itself, which we'll look at here, we have a really nice mic stand, which it looks like we can tighten or loosen here. We have our USB-C and our monitor. We have a nice clicky knob. And then we have our capacitive mute switch on the top. So pretty simple there. And then what this allows us to do is allows us to put this on any mic stand we might want, whether it's the 5/8, 3/8, or quarter 20. But you get a nice little desktop stand included that's weighted. So we'll put this back on. There we go. All right, so now let's try to figure out the experience of hooking this all up. So we'll follow the pictures here. One, plug this into the back of the microphone. Like that. Two, plug it into your computer. Okay. Sounds like it's recognized. Three, go to elgato.com/gaming/download. All right, so over here. elgato.com/gaming/download. All right. Okay, we're gonna go select your product. Wave 3 is what we have. And Wave Link. That's it, it's compatible with all of these, so we'll download. Save file. And this is download the app to get started. So we'll install it. And this says, please make sure the device is disconnected during the installation. If it's connected to your computer, please unplug it. Okay. So even though the quick start guide said plug it in, then download, the installation is now saying unplug it. So we'll install. Saying yes and next. All right, here we go. Connect Wave device. WaveLink turns your Wave device into a powerful hub that lets you mix vocals and audio sources with ultra low latency. Please connect your Wave device now. All right, so we'll connect it. Welcome to WaveLink. Gives you the ultimate control of your live stream, YouTube, or podcast audio. Click through this tutorial to get your audio mix set up in seconds. So get started. Select your monitor output. To get started, please select an output device to monitor X. You can change this at any time. So, looks like we can do the speakers here, which will probably lead to feedback, so you don't want to do that. Headphones of Oculus, which we don't have connected, or the Elgato Wave 3. So I'm going to choose that. You can change the setting at any time. All right. Cool. Next. Add your channels. WaveLink allows you to control multiple audio input channels. Please select the audio input channels you wish to add to WaveLink. You can add or remove channels at any time. So if I wanted to add another input, I can do system, music, browser, voice chat, sound effects, auxiliary, or a device. This is really intuitive and cool. So I don't want to add any more right now. It looks like we're actually getting audio feedback levels right here. And it looks like the monitor is disabled, probably because it can tell that I do not have, there we go, there's the front, that I don't have anything plugged in. And I'm not sure what that second icon means. Maybe if I click to mute. So if I tap this. Okay, so the capacitive mute works. We can see on the top there. And if I click this, it mutes. And then this, I guess, is input volume, maybe? And then what does this do? Audio effects. Start adding audio effects to, okay. So I can get some recommended VSTs. Cool. So these are all VST plugins that can help me with my sound. Nice. I like how they're linking to third-party stuff that can severely impact your quality. That's really, really cool. All right, let's go to the next. Route app audio. You can route any application audio to WaveLink in Windows Sound settings. Simply click the output drop-down menu alongside an application and select WaveLink channel. That's awesome. And then I have a link to open that. So here, app volume. So if I just want like Mozilla Firefox and we have output input, I can do output and it says do WaveLink, and these are all the different channels I can output to. And those, I'm guessing, correspond to the app. That's awesome. All right, so it looks like the OBS window crashed when I installed the link setup, which makes sense because it's messing with my audio drivers. But all the other button was to click finish your audio setup, and now we're at this screen. So let's see what we can do here. Looks like, oh, wow, we can rearrange our channels, maybe? I don't know. So if I pull this down, that's my stream output. This is my monitor, adding effects, brings us to that page. Monitor mix and stream mix, that's really awesome. So back in OBS, I could select another one to be the stream output. Right now it's just the mic in, so stream would be whatever channels I'm putting together in the Elgato app. And then we have the effects bus, and then the monitor that's actually going out to me. So wow, lots of routing options, really, really cool. And if I wanted to add another input, I could do, we'll call it system. And now if I ding this, I'm not seeing anything there, but maybe that is, I don't know. Definitely stuff to play around with here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so this allows you to pick what stream you want to listen to through the headphone output back here. It looks like we have some gain settings, so if I turn this up, yep, that's changing my microphone gain, and then this would be my mix, so I can figure out if I want to listen to the mic or USB. Mutes it. Wow, really straightforward setup. And if I go over to settings here, let's see what we have. VST for audio effects, and then automatically check for updates. And then this is awesome. So I think for system sounds, I just output, I have to do, okay, so system is always just going to be default, which is whatever this is. So if I change this to WaveLink system, and now I go back here, and now I ping it. Perfect, okay. So that then pings there. Awesome, so you just have to set up routing correctly, That makes a lot of sense. Perfect. Well, there we have it. The Elgato Wave 3, really easy and simple setup with tons of options in terms of hardware that's included. Nice little desktop stand. Yeah, very impressed. Very impressed. And I'm not sure of the audio quality, but this is what it sounds like in a garage. And yeah, well, I will throw this together. Phenomenal.